Okay, my name is Dr. Thomas Kwambai. I'm a senior research scientist here at KALRO Kitale Food Crops Research Institute. I'm a research scientist in charge of root and tuber crops, and my area of specialty is in potato breeding, also potato agronomy or crop agronomy, and crop ecology. Now, here is our field crop, a field seed production field H, where we grow different seed crops. And I would like to talk more on working with youths and in agro or rather crop entrepreneurship on potato, mango, and also avocado. Now, for us as KALRO, we are a research organization. We deal with research. We also empower farmers and youths in the different areas of crop value chains. For instance, mangoes. For mangoes and avocados, we have interest in assisting the groups in propagation of seedlings, training them in agronomy, and also areas of nursery management. We know that many farmers need quality seed, and that can be achieved through proper nursery management, including propagation of seedlings using the right rootstocks and also the appropriate scions or mother plants for scions. So for us, we can equip the groups in terms of training them on how to do the propagation, what to go for when choosing the mother plants for rootstock and also mother plants for scions, and then also on timing of these materials when they should propagate. For them also on how to establish their own orchards, and then also we can train them so that they can equip farmers around their production areas, or so that they also contribute to better crop management, that is the farmers. Then going to other areas of value addition, we can also assist the groups so that apart from producing, they can also add value to the products of fruits in terms of particularly mangoes. Then going to potato, we do ourselves produce, there is the issue of avocado. We produce seedlings, avocado seedlings. We can provide the groups with readily seedlings for planting. And then for potato, we do produce seed potato, certified seed potato. Although at the moment we produce small quantities, but in the course of the year we hope to have more productions. We have planted about 15 acres of seed potato, certified seed potato of Shangi variety. We have several varieties in KALRO where we are producing seed for farmers. But here in Kitale, we are promoting 3 major varieties. That is Shangi. And for us, for the groups, we can equip them with knowledge on how to produce certified seed potato. And production of certified seed potato can be done using apical rooted cuttings. Also, we can assist them to produce using mini tubers or the conventional tubers, which most of the farmers know. For the apical rooted cuttings, or that is an early generation seed material, whereby cuttings are provided by KALRO, and mainly from KALRO Tikoni, where the propagation is done. These rooted cuttings means that the seed that is produced is equivalent to a breeder's seed material, which is really at the early stage, high quality seed material. You buy, if it is 1 bag, it can give you another 10, 12 bags of certified seed. And you make savings because one seed at the moment, 1 bag of seed is 4,000 and above, depending on the seller. So, and the farmers or the groups can trade on this certified seed using those generations and make seed available within the growing areas, which will really benefit farmers, because at the moment there are no certified seed producers in the region. The nearest place could be ADC Molo, Mount Narok, some seed growers, or Nakuru, or Mount Kenya region, or KALRO Tikoni, which is quite far. And KABE is always there to certify, to assist farmers certify the seed. But the big problem is licensing, whereby groups can be assisted if they are viable groups which have shown who have shown to be serious to work. They could be assisted to get license from KABE, and when they get this license, they can now grow their seed, and they are meant to be seed. They are recognized as seed merchants. The other way of producing certified seed is using the certified seed, the conventional certified seed, whereby the farmers, the groups can buy cycle 1 or rather pre-basic if allowed. It's rarely done because pre-basic is meant for the breeder or for the seed grower. Maybe from basic, then cycle 1 and cycle 2. When they grow those categories of seed, they can be able to sell to farmers as certified seed and make money out of that. So we can train them to be able to grow these different types of categories of seed potato and commercialize and make seed accessible to farmers. It will reduce cost of transport for farmers. It will also make farmers tend to grow more of certified than the recycled seed that is being done at the moment. So that's what I would say. As KALRO, we are ready to provide technical knowledge to the farmers. We are ready also to provide them with the seed material through our potato center in Tikoni. KALRO will be there to equip even the farmers, the neighboring farmers, and assist them to adopt, or rather to learn more about potato in terms of agronomic management and other aspects. And we can link also the farmers with buyers of the seed, of seed, and also the potatoes, because there are some who target certain varieties. As I said, we have Shangi, we have Unica, we have Wanjiku. And Unica is a very high yielder compared to all these others. It has longer storability, which can help farmers store their seed when the price is not good in the market. And also in terms of seed, storing seed in December, from December maybe up to March or April, they can still store. But a crop like a variety like Shangi, you cannot store for that long period. Considering that we have a dry spell from December all the way to April in some cases. Yeah. Okay, I think for KALRO we are accessible. We can be reached on phone, we can be reached on email, we can be reached by a group or farmers visiting our center, and we offer services, free services in terms of when they visit us, we give them advice. And sometimes we can also visit, depending on resources, we can visit the sites where they are to see their problems, if they have issues that they need to be attended to. Yeah, so we are there. And maybe what is important is for the groups, young people, sometimes they don't see agriculture as a valuable thing, but it is very valuable. And it can employ the young people if they value, and more so if they use the proper knowledge, they get the right knowledge and also the right technologies, so that when they implement, they get big returns, to encourage them. So we are there to assist them. They should not take shortcuts. They should always be ready to come forward and bring up their problems that they face in the different crop enterprises. If it is the fruits or the potatoes, we can assist them address those problems, be it diseases, be it in terms of what material to plant, in terms of varieties, we can assist them. Not listening to other, because like in West Pokot and Elgeyo Marakwet, sometimes when they hear a variety, a farmer has grown some seed, they go for it without knowing how they were grown in the field, because potato has some diseases which cannot be seen just visually. Yeah, we call them latent infections. So when they grow, the disease already resting in the tuber, they get into problems. But when they get used to certified seed, they will always succeed. And of course, they have to plant in clean fields which are not infected, which we are going to train, which we are able to train the different farmers and groups so that they do the right things and gain in their undertakings. Yeah. Well, the opportunities are there in different stages along the value chains, in each of the value chains. For youths, because they are young, they could specialize in seed production and seedling propagation, because they have the capacity, they can acquire the knowledge, and they have the strength to do the job. When they are trained, they can do even the propagations themselves. If it is grafting, if it is seed nursery management, they will be able to do the job. And also in production, because if land is there, if their parents can provide land, they can also do a lot, because they are faster to apply the techniques that they are trained in. Yeah, but because the seedling propagation and the seed production is a highly entrepreneurial undertaking, it would be good for them to venture into that, but not leaving the production component. Yeah,